Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to fix AirPods if one is not working. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, check if there is something that is stuck in your case that's preventing your AirPods from fully connecting to your case. Next, check the AirPod itself and check the bottom if there is something that is blocking its way to connect to your AirPod case. Also, check for damages that may cause this issue. Alright, so another thing to do is to make sure that both the AirPods are sitting properly inside its case. So make sure to put them in the right position. And also one thing to consider is also to make sure that the case itself is properly charged. Alright, so there we have it, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.